A year and a half ago, I stood outside this building when it was very much a building site with Nigel and heard about the exciting plans that him and Kieran had for the Digital Manufacturing Centre. Over the last year since launch, they've grown massively, both in terms of the projects that they've won and the great engineers that they've hired. And today we're going to show you how they've done it.
The reason for growth of the DMC has been the fact that we can solve engineering problems and engineering challenges. And the way we do this is about having the right technologies. So we're not just biased to one technology, we're biased to lots of technologies, ones that will actually solve the problem for the customer.
Additive manufacturing is so important in the UK. It enables engineering businesses to produce production runs much faster, whilst also saving money on materials cost and energy costs. One of the challenges facing the additive manufacturing sector in the UK at the moment is the availability of skilled personnel. One of the ways we've helped the DMC overcome this challenge is by hiring individuals with transferable skills, such as individuals from a CNC operative background, educational background in 3D printing, and other people that have used desktop 3D printers.
So with the DMC being so early in its life cycle, it's absolutely crucial that we hire the best people. During a period of rapid growth with a small team, it's really important to hire the best skill sets around. After all, the business is all about people. So having worked with Tom and the Hernshead team for quite some time now, I can say that they spend a lot of time going through the CVs, being very clear in their communications to us, ensuring that we maximize our time.
We go from the design to the material selection to the final component. Working with us allows the customer to go from just an idea to an actual product.
Just over a year and a half ago, me and Nigel were stood in this exact same spot. The building was still a shell, and in that time the DMC has launched, had some fantastic growth, brought in some great clients, and grown a team of talented engineers. Nigel, what's next for the DMC now?
More engineers, more inspiration for our customers and for our customers to inspire us. We've got huge plans. We're going to grow the business, so that means more people into the organisation and having a bigger team to support all our customers' needs.